This is a doozy of a question and a little bit of a trap. Do you not agree that the Mormon church played and practices played a role in the Ruby Franke situation? Hi, I'm Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney, owner of Modern Law. And even though I know this is kind of a hot button issue, I think we should talk about it. So, I live in Gilbert, Arizona. I previously lived in Mesa, Arizona, in a predominantly LDS neighborhood, and got a really good firsthand glimpse into LDS culture. And I have seen LDS parenting culture be, it's really hard to know the words to use here, but I have seen LDS parenting culture in the name of agency and responsibility be what I thought was harsh and cruel to kids. I have seen that. Not with all LDS families, but certainly with some who were incredibly devout and devoted to the practice. But I think the bigger issue here is that the Frankes were a white, beautiful, upper class family who lived in a nice house. And we as a society assume that those people are less likely to abuse their children. And we as a society assume that people who are religious are somehow less likely to abuse their children or one another because they are God-fearing and righteous. We also know with absolute certainty that people who are religious and organizations that are religious perpetrate abuse all the time, systematically, chronically, cover it up. Not that all individuals within a religion do this, but just because somebody's part of a religion, we should not be giving them the benefit of the doubt. If anything, we should be looking closer, or certainly as closely as we would look at a poor family or a minority family. The fact is that the world isn't fair. Yes, I do absolutely believe that the Mormon church and practice played a role in this situation. I believe that the counselor she was hooked up with preyed upon Mormons, used the language of the Mormon culture to really suck parents in and teach them pretty awful, horrific parenting styles and philosophies that are generally not accepted, but might be accepted within a subculture. This is true for any subculture. Religion can be a subculture. So the short answer to your question is I do. I absolutely do think that the Mormon culture played a role in what happened, but I don't think that this is unique to Mormons. And I think that any kind of fringe belief, fundamentalist type righteous organization or any group with these types of beliefs has the same danger of propagating abuse.